Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is Phscoo Electric Scooter. I'm purchasing this scooter for official website phscoo.com. I already added this link in video description, and this product exactly I am receiving the same upgrade to 8.5 wheels, amazing ride, a more than upgrade, turn signal, new dock light, smart application as well. You can track your scooter via application. Max speed is 43 kilometers per hour, range is 53 kilometers. It's very lightweight, just only 13.5 kilogram, easy to carry. Direction indication, look at this here, right and left, such kind of light is showing the scooter. Goodbye, no need to add extra lights. Be safe. Look at this here, bottom of the scooter, left, right, light is showing, 4 light is showing here. Original light look like this. This is the frame. Multifunctional hook is available. You can very easily fold up and down as well and carry very easily. Scooter price is $599. Original price is $799. Discount is going on. You should use my discount code as well. My discount code available on video description. Today I changed the location because of the box is huge. This is our electric scooter coming from Phscoo brand. I already added all the information in video description. Now we do unboxing and let's see which types of product we are receiving. Delivery is very fast if you are living in European country. So within a week you can receive Phscoo scooter, electric scooter. Inside the box I am receiving, this is the charging adapter with cable. I just simply open the box. Scooter. Now box is empty. This is our electric scooter. Okay. And they look like free. Oh, it's easy. Look at this here, the hook. Here is the one of the hook. You can fix like this and carry like that, so it's easy. Here is the grip. You can fix this one properly. So first of all, press here like this. This is the stand and scooter is ready. It's really impressive. Here is the charging socket. Put it this one here and charge. So the battery here and the bottom size. It's really nice. I just simply start from here, pressing this button. So scooter is a start. If you want use this indicator, I need to press this button one time. The indicator is a start. If I press again this button, indicator is off. If I want to use this indicator, right hand side, press the power button one, indicator is on. It's easy. Second thing, if you want use this light and this light on, so you just simply press the M button, it means manual button. Inside the box we receive user manual as well. So if you are not idea how to understand, so this manual book are providing all types of instruction, how to use, what is the use of this button and all those things. If you want do like this as well and put it in the box or in the house. So yeah, this one is really nice. You can increase the height as well like this. Here some screw is here. You can press and decrease the height as well like this. Here is the multifunction. This is the brake of wheel. So if you press the brake, so those light is automatically on. That one is really nice. And the little horn is also available. Look at this. If you want fix this one properly, so this is the portion like this. This is not right. You just simply press this one. This is the best position. You can tighten this screw and afterward this clip you can fix properly. So the handle is fixed, not coming up. So look at this, the tiny wheel, the security light back, and this one as well. This is the air wheel, not plastic, so you can fill out here as well. Here is the tiny LED screen. You just simply press 2 seconds and scooter is turn it on. Here is the manual button is showing, light indicator. If you press this one, if you press this one, so right hand side indicator is working. Again press once if you want, press horn. And this is the brake. It's really impressive. One more thing, if you press this brake, so bottom of the screen the light is indicator are showing, so someone can very easily recognize as a safety perspective. So this electric scooter providing default a light as well, so no need to purchase anything. For after purchasing the scooter, you need to purchase one of the helmet, and second thing is a lock for safety your scooter, and that's it. Apart from that, they are providing everything include the scooter. Compared to other one, this one is really impressive, just only 13.5 kilogram weight. Now we can go outside and let's see. So I just simply drive. It's very easy, just simply do like this, little scroll, and scooter is a start. It's very easy, handy, lightweight. Speed is really fast, within a second you can increase the speed. Look at this here, the light. If I press this button twice, this light and this light on simultaneously during the night time. And so this is the unboxing and trial video. Next video I will show you can control this bicycle using one of the application, how to install this application, and afterwards how to configure this bicycle with this application, and you can very easily track how much kilometer you drive this electric scooter using the application. So you can very easily track if the scooter range is a 54 kilometer, so how many kilometers are remaining after driving. You won't purchase this electric scooter, I already added the link in video description. You just simply click and order now. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.